Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas exercise 4.2 question number 1. You can see the question number is one have classify the following curves as open curve or closed curve. So you can see here this is A curve A, curve B, curve C, curve D and curve E. This is given. Okay, so we classify that open curve and a closed curve. So uh, student, I hope all of you know what is open curve and what is a closed curve. Okay, first of all, what is a curve? When you take a sharp pencil and put it in the sheet paper and you like this, okay, run like this is called curve without lifting your pen. Okay, so all of these are curve. And so what is open curve? When initial point and end points are same, are different. Okay, initial point and end point are different place, so this is called open curve. And initial point and end point are same, or you can say coincide. This is called closed curve. So this is an open curve because its initial point is here and here. This is open curve. Okay, this is a closed curve because you can see initial point and end points are same. This is open curve because this is open, this is closed, this is a close, this is a close. Okay, so you can write here this is open curve. Open curve. This is a closed curve. Closed curve. Okay, closed curve. ये क्या है? ओपन. क्लियर? दिस इज क्लोज कर्व. Okay, this is close curve, this is open curve, close curve, open curve, close curve. Okay, so next question of this exercise, question number 2 is that draw a diagram to illustrate the following open curve and closed curve. Okay, so let's see what is the question number 2. We draw a first open curve, so you can draw this like this, open curve. Okay, and second is this is A part and B part is closed curve. So we draw closed curve like this. This is a closed curve, part B. Okay, closed curve, closed curve. Okay, this is a closed curve. So you can draw any plane figure of open curve, of closed curve. You can also draw this is a open curve. This is a closed curve. Okay, this is a closed curve. This is clear. This is a closed curve, open curve, closed curve. Okay, initial point and terminating point or end point are different places. This is that curve is open curve, and the initial point and the end point are same. Or this is a, then you can say this is a closed curve. Okay, closed curve, open curve and open curve. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is that draw any polygons and shade its interior. Draw any polygons. So what is polygon? Question number 4 is that draw any polygon. So one question arises here. What is polygon? A simple closed curve which is made by entirely line segment is called polygons. Okay, a simple closed curve which is made by entirely line segment, a totally line segment. This is called polygons. Simple closed curve. First, we need to know what is a simple closed curve. A closed curve which not cross itself. A closed curve which is not cross itself is called a simple closed curve. Okay, look, this is a simple closed curve. Okay, this is a simple closed curve because these curve are not cross itself. This curve is not cross itself. This is called simple closed curve. But here you can see this is closed curve, but not simple. Why? Because this curve is cross itself. Okay, and this curve is closed curve and simple. Simple closed, simple closed. But this is only closed but not simple. Clear? This is only closed but not simple. So this is a not simple closed, so this is not polygons. Both are simple closed curve. Okay, so tell me which figure these are polygons. So according to definition of polygons, a simple closed curve made by entirely line segment is called polygons. Okay, so this is simple closed curve, but this is not made by line segment, so this is not polygon. Okay, this is simple closed curve made by line segment. You can see here. So this is polygons. Okay, the question told us draw any polygons. Okay, this is four-sided polygon. The four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Okay, also you can draw three-sided polygon like this. This is three-sided polygon. The three-sided polygon is called triangles. Okay, so you can see this is a two polygons, three-sided polygon. This is triangles. Four-sided polygon. This is a quadrilaterals. Okay, so shade it interior. So interior region is this is the region bounded by this line segment. This is called interior region of the polygons. So shade it like this. Okay, clear? Also you can hear. Okay, so this is a polygons and we said its interior. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 is given a figure like this. Okay, this is figure given in question number 4 and it asks is it curve? Is it curve? Yes. Option is yes. A option is yes. It is curve. Question asks it is a curve? Yes. This is a curve. Okay. And again question B, is it closed? Yes. Yes. It is closed. Yes. It is closed. This is curve. In question 4 this figure is given and ask it is curve. Is it a curve? Yes. Is it a curve? And the question part B of question number 4 told you is it closed? So you can see this is closed figure. Okay, this is closed figure. This is you can say this is a made by line segment. Okay, so you can say this is polygon also. Okay, this is curve, this is a closed. So okay, yes it is curve, yes it is closed. If question asks it is polygons, so you can say yes, this is polygons. Okay, next question number 5. Okay, what is the question number 5? uh, Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. A closed curve that is not a polygon. Okay, so question number 5, we need to draw a closed curve that is not polygon. So first we need to know what is polygon. So you know very well what is polygons. Polygons. What is polygons? A closed figure which is made by line segment is called polygons. Okay, so we draw a closed figure. Okay, a closed curve that is not polygon. So let's see, this is a closed curve, but this is not polygon because it is not made by line segment. Okay, this is part A. Part B. Part B is open curve made up entirely of line segment. Open curve made by line segment. So you can see made by line segment. So here like this. Clear? This is the open curve made by line segment. Okay, and the C part, a polygon with two sides. Okay, a polygon with two sides. So this is not possible that two-sided polygons. Okay, so it is not possible. Two-sided polygon is not possible because we need to for polygons we need to close curve. Okay, and in closed curve at least we need to three side. Okay, three-sided polygon is triangle. Okay, this is a three-sided polygon, but two-sided, one side, two side. So this is not closed curve. If this is not closed curve, so this is not possible to two-sided polygons. Okay, so in part C of question number 5, a polygon with two sides is not possible. Okay, we can write here a polygon with two sides is not possible. Is not possible. Okay, so you can see the polygon with the two sides is not possible. Okay, कोई भी पॉलीगन टू साइड से नहीं बन सकता. एटलीस्ट कम से कम पॉलीगन के लिए थ्री साइड होगा. थ्री साइड पॉलीगन इज ट्रायंगल्स. फोर साइड पॉलीगन इज quadrilaterals. Okay, five sided polygon is pentagon. Okay, so you can see in this way we completed exercise 4.2. Okay, now we are going to discuss exercise 4.3. Okay, angles. We discuss about angles. So you can see this is angles. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, and this is symbol of angle. You can write this angle. This is angle. Okay, and this part is called interior part of angle. Okay, ये क्या होता है आपका interior part of this angle, and this part is called exterior part of angles. Okay, ये interior होता है, exterior होता है. ये two ray जब when you join two ray into end, then you find angles. This is the area of angles. Okay, in this side we call interior region and this side exterior regions. Okay, so we can write angle simply like this, angle B. Okay, or you can also write it A, B, C. angle ABC, or you can also write the name of this angle CBA, CBA. Clear? So you know this is angles. You can write this name of this angle is three way. First angle B, simple way. Second ABC, angle ABC, we read it, angle ABC. Second angle CBA. Okay. Now so interior and exterior, you know, if any point is here, point P suppose here, so point P is called interior point. Okay. And any point R is here. Okay. So point R is called exterior point. And suppose any point D is here, this is called boundary point. This is called a boundary point. Okay. So let's see exercise 4.3, question number 1. Here this is question number 1. Figure is given. This is given figures, and we find name the angle in the given figures. We write to name the angle of given figure. So simply you can see angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Okay. So you can write the name of angles in given figure is. So you can write the name of angle R. Name of angles R. Okay, in given figure. So you can write angle A. Simply angle A R, angle D A B, angle D, angle D A B. Okay. This is angle A, angle D A B. This is angle B. Simply you can say this is angle B, or you can say angle A B C, angle A B C. Okay. Now this angle is angle D. This angle is angle C. Simply you can say this is the angle C, or you can say angle is B C D, angle B C D. Clear? Now last angle is, this is angle D. You can write it simply angle D, or this is equal to angle CDA, angle CDA. Okay. Or you can write all these angle B, this angle A, B A D, angle B A D. Okay. This angle B A D, or you can write this angle A D C. This angle C, first write this angle C B A. In angle B you can write angle C B A. So angle C B A. Okay. Now this angle C, so you can write it angle D C B, angle D C B. Now for angle D we can write it the name of angle D A D C, angle A D C. Clear? So all possible name of angles in given figure ABCD This is a four-sided polygons, side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, four-sided polygons. This is a quadrilaterals. Okay, so all possible angles are you write here: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, or angle DBA, ABC, BCD, or CDA. Okay, so let's see second question of this exercise. This is the given figure in question number 2 of this exercise 4.3. Okay, name the points. Okay, point A is in the interior of DOE. Angle DOE is here. Angle DOE. What are the interior points? You can see angle DOE. What is the interior point of angle DOE? You can see interior point is A. Okay, interior point is A. So here you can write point A. Point A is the interior point of angle DOE. Okay, now question B. In the exterior of angle EOF, EOF, exterior points of angle EOF. So I hope all of you understood what is interior and what is exterior. Okay, so you can see what is our angle. Our angle is this EOF. This is our angle. Okay, so inside interior angle, but we need to find exterior points of this angle. So exterior point is C is exterior point, D is exterior point, A is also exterior point of this angle. Clear? So you can write the exterior point. Okay, exterior point. You can write exterior point of this angle is A, C, and D. Okay, so exterior point of angle EOF R कौन सी पॉइंट हो जाएगी आपके यहाँ पे? Point A exterior point, point C exterior point, and point D is also the exterior point for this angle EOF. हो जाएगा और point A, C, and D. Clear? Exterior point of angle EOF is equal to AC and D. C part of this question. On angle EOF, which point on angle EOF, angle EOF, कौन point? Boundary point. It means that boundary point of angle EOF. So you can see EOF. So boundary point कौन सा है? EBOF are boundary point are on angle EOF. Okay, points on angle EOF is EBOF. Okay, so you can write part C of this question. Points on angle EOF are points on angle EOF are, you can write E, point B, point O, and point F. Are these points E, B, O, and F are the point which lie on this angle. So answer of on angle EOF. Points on angle EOF is E, B, O, and F. Clear? Now third question. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have. So let's see what is the third question. We need to draw two angles according to the given condition. Okay, so what is the condition? Question number third, part A. Okay, and draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point each common. We draw two angles such that they have one point common. Okay, we draw two angles so that they have one point each common. And so two angles, so this is one angle and this is also second angle. See, name of this angle is AOB. Name of this angle is COD. This angle is COD, and this angle is angle AOB. So you can see one point is common between them. What is the point? Common point O. O is the common point. Okay. So we draw two angles, angle AOB and angle COD. So they have one point common. So what is the common point in two angles? Point O is the common. Clear? Now B part. 2 points in common. We draw two angles such that 2 points are common. So let's see for B part. Like this. A, O, B, this is C. We draw two angles. Angle AOB, angle AOB, this angle. Okay. And next we draw angle COB, this angle. We draw two angles, and we observe here 2 points is common. What is the common point? We draw two angles, angles AOB and angle COD. You can see in these figures, and 2 points have common. What is the two common points? Point B and point O are common of both angles. You can see angle AOB, OB common, angle COD. Okay, so this is a two angles which have 2 points common, point 2 and point B. Now C part of this question number 3. Draw two angles such that they have 3 points in common point. Okay, 3 points in common. So this is C part. Okay, 3 points here, 2 points common. We take here point D, point D. Okay, so you can see we draw two angles AOB and COD. Here 3 points is common. What is the common point? BDO. This is a common point. Okay, so we draw diagrams. Okay, of two angles such that they have 3 points in common. So common point is, you can see here BDO. Okay, now D part of this angle, 4 points in common. So you write here D, and you write here F. Okay, so you can see here we draw two angles and 4 points is common. BDFO is common. Two angles, angles AOB and angle COB. Okay, we will draw two angles such that 4 points are common. What is the common point? Point B here. You can see this is point B, point D, point O, and point F are common point. Okay, now and last part of question number 3 is one ray in common. Okay, so we draw two angles such that one ray is common. So student, I hope all of you know and recognize what is ray. Okay, so what is ray? E part. This angle P uh, R T O. Okay, so we draw two angles P O R, angle P O R, and angle T O R, T O R. Okay, so here OR is common. OR is common. So OR is a ray. Okay, we draw two angles such that one ray is common. So what is a ray? This is a ray. Okay, this is a ray. So OR is common between two angles. So you can say we draw a rough diagram of two angles such that one ray is common. So common ray is OR. Okay. So in this way we completed this exercise 4.3. Now we are going to discuss three-sided polygons. You know very well what is the three-sided polygons. Name of three-sided polygon is triangles. Okay, so this is a triangle. It's have three sides, three angle, three vertices. Suppose this is vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. Okay, and this is called angle A, angle B, angle B. This is angle C. Okay, side AB, side BC, side CA. So side we write side AB. This is side AB. This side write AB. This side BC, and this side CA or AC. C. Okay, and this angle is angle A. You can write simply angle A, or angle BAC. BAC. This angle is called angle B, or simply you can say ABC. Angle ABC, and this angle is called angle C, or simply you can say angle BCA. Okay, and this region is called interior region of triangle. Okay, and this region is called exterior region of the triangles. Okay, and this is a boundary. If any point inside the triangle, suppose P inside the triangle is called interior point. Okay, suppose T outside the triangle is called exterior point, and suppose any point R on the line is called boundary points. Okay, so students, I hope all of you understood what is triangles, how many sides, angles, and the vertices of triangles, what is the exterior point, interior point, and the boundary point on the triangles. Okay, so enough for today. I hope all of you understood. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.